Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Héroux Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm John Robinson, editor of Wings and Helicopters, and this is your aviation news. Your top story: Bombardier's Global 7500 is awarded Transport Canada type certification. Then Héroux-Devtek of Quebec completes the acquisition of Airbus's CESA, and United orders 9 more Dreamliners. We'll have all of your aviation news right after this quick message from our sponsor. Bombardier's flagship clean sheet Global 7500 jet, shown to be the longest range business jet ever built after accumulating more than 2,700 flight hours since testing began in November 2016, has been awarded Transport Canada type certification. Bombardier states this milestone paves the way for the aircraft to enter into service later this year. Certification by the FAA and European Aviation Safety Agency is expected soon. Through its testing phase, the Global 7500 exceeded some of its original commitments, including, based on airframe and wing design, a new takeoff distance of 5,800 feet. Bombardier describes this as almost 500 feet shorter than its closest and smaller competing aircraft. The Global 7500 aircraft holds a range of 7,700 nautical miles, 300 nautical miles further than its initial commitments. Bombardier states this makes it the only business aircraft to connect New York to Hong Kong and Singapore to San Francisco non-stop. Héroux-Devtek of Quebec completed the acquisition of Madrid-based CESA for approximately $206 million. Aiming to accelerate its international expansion, this represents the largest purchase in the history of the company, which manufactures a range of critical aerospace parts from 6 Canadian facilities located in Greater Montreal and Toronto, as well as 5 facilities in the US, 2 in the UK, and now 2 in Spain. Approximately 90% of Héroux-Devtek's sales will now be outside of Canada, including about 50% in the United States. The company also updated its sales guidance for fiscal 2019 because of the acquisition. Management now expects sales to be in the range of $460 million to $470 million, representing an increase of approximately 20% over last year. Boeing and United Airlines reached a deal valued at $2.5 billion according to list prices, for the carrier to expand its 787 Dreamliner fleet again with a new order for 9 787-9 airplanes. The U.S. carrier, which announced the purchase of 4 787-9s in July, has now ordered a total of 64 Dreamliners. United's newest Boeing deal places the total Dreamliner orders above 100 for the year, just one shy of 1,400 since beginning the program in 2011. Later this year, United is set to take delivery of the largest Dreamliner aircraft, the 787-10, which can seat up to 330 passengers. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Héroux Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Be sure to check out Wings' September-October issue for our annual MRO directory featuring 30 top suppliers from across the country.